Hey, good morning everybody. We're headed out to Sand Hollow again this morning for a Ford F-350. Got the old Cherokee geared up. I still need to put that rear end in it, but I'm kind of busy, so maybe one of these days I'll have to do it. But it's 101 degrees. We're having a good, wrapping up our Friday. We'll throw the camera in here and we'll take you along for the ride. Really? All right, we're gonna give him a quick tug here and see what he does. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. I just told him I'm gonna idle him out.
Did you just drive around just to think that you'll do it again?
Yeah. I'm gonna air down though.
Here we are, back to round two of
the
350 adventure.
Yeah.
All right, so what am I doing wrong here? You're not committed enough or what?
You're heavy.
I'm heavy, huh?
Yeah, if you're gonna come down through here, you need to be doing like 50 miles an hour from the main road and just cut across to the big old. I'm actually gonna air down though because I just think I should.
Oh, you turn, is that where you
Yeah. And then you can go down, don't get too close to the edge of the water, but then you can go down along the beach where it's hard. So if you stay down close to the water, you can work your way back around and go through there. But if not, you just start going down the beach and then cut across doing like mock chicken. That wasn't too bad. I think I aired down though.
Yeah, well, make it worse.
It's soft stuff. All right, so we was coming up the highway here and we ran into a guy in a Loomis truck, and he's sitting right over there and his front tire's gone and all of his lug nuts are still on the vehicle. His tire went from clear down there by the over ramp, come across traffic, jumped down in here and came all the way down here in its pond. So we're gonna go gather his tire up just in case the tire's good. I'm sure the rim's ruined.
Tire recovery today.
Tire recovery, Casey's tire recovery. Kind of a steep climb down in and out of here. There it is. Look at the holes in the.
Oh my gosh.
They're just all wallowed out. Help, I need somebody. Not just anybody.
I mean, the tire looks in good condition.
Yeah, that's a $250 tire. Ow, it's hotter. Well, that was kind of cool.
Are you going back up?
Oh, sure.
Okay.
See if you want to find the brake again like you've been doing. I've been pushing on the brake all day. I'm not driving that crazy.
Brake, and I almost went through the windshield once.
Oh, that was drama. You should have had your seatbelt. When I put my seatbelt on, you know that.
I thought when you put your seatbelt on, you were being a pansy.
I was being a pansy. Have you ever hit the end of a rope?
Yeah, well, now I know that because I got a concussion.
Have you ever hit the end of a rope when you shouldn't have been on the end of the rope?
It's been a while. I've been on too many.
You think the old Jeep will climb out of this thing?
Yeah, we should. People coming down the freeway are going to be like, what the heck's going on?
Well, that was a wasn't as bad as I thought. It looked a little looser than I.
Kicking up dirt.
Well, that was a long ways to go get a tire.
Could have been worse.
Oh yeah, he did pretty good maintaining the speed.
Well, I'm surprised that van's not upside down.
Well, looks like the tire kept on going for a few miles.